Replace this face with your face in Photopea. Let me show you how to do it. I'll bring in a head, open in place. Okay, you can see it there. I'm gonna put this to the top. Okay. And what I need to do is resize it. I need to resize it. Okay, so I hold the shift button and pull it from a corner so it's equal. So it retains its shape. So look, okay, I'm bringing it down to around about the same size. Okay. Okay. So what I'll do now, I need to make folders for each of these individual PNGs. So this is a bit time consuming, but what we'll do, we'll label the folder underscore A underscore. And what this stands for is basically you're telling the folder to animate. So the A means for animate. And obviously this is how you spell it out. So I need 16 of these. Okay. So what I'll do, put that one in there. That's one. I need another one. An easiest way to do this is just highlight the text, copy, highlight text, copy the text. Make the next one in there. And then when I make another folder, I can just paste it in. You get the picture. So I'll keep doing that. So I'm going to speed this part up. Okay, so we've got all those individual files in a folder. Okay, I'm going to open each folder. We've still got a little bit of work to do. It might seem a long process, but it's worth it in the end because you can customize these. Yeah, so once you've got the animation correct, you can reuse and reuse these over and over again. Make money with these, use them for your project. So look, we've got the face. Okay, and you can see it's the face or this image has got a square. That means it's a smart object. Yeah, smart object, and all of these PNG images must be a smart object. Where you see that square, that indicates that it's a smart object, or the replacement of the face will not work without being a smart object. So what we do now, we duplicate this head. Yeah, we bring it to the bottom. We put it on top of the first PNG. In order to see this clearly, I'm going to close all of these folders because you need to see what you're doing. All right, so we close them, except for that one. Yeah, so just gonna turn off the eye so we can see what's going on. Make the head bigger than the template. Okay. So now what I'll do is copy this, put it in the next folder, turn off the first folder, and now we're in the second folder. We're going to move that down slightly, make sure it covers the template underneath. That's okay. And now what we'll do, duplicate that, duplicate layer, put it in the third folder, hide the second folder. And obviously now what we need to do is just put it in place. So basically trying to hide the template, but put it in line with the template. Yeah. Okay, that's all right. Duplicate. You get the drift. So I'm going to fast forward this part. And with the last image, because with a loop, the start and ending should be the same. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the first image and put it in place in the last image as well. So which one is it? Hold on. So now, what should happen is, let me close this all up and click on the first one. All right, and what happens now, if I click into this and then add a different face, let me put this face in. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to size this face up to its a similar size of the other face. Let me just make it a bit wider. Just got similar dimensions. So what I'll do now, I'll hide the other face because that's the original face. And what I'll do now, I'll click Save Smart Object. So click that, Smart Object Updated. So now when I go back into the character, you see it's changed. You see that? It's changed, yeah? So now when I click on File, Export as GIF, and say GIF. Obviously it's too fast, let me just slow it down. So I'm missing, there's a GIF, there's a picture missing. I need to go through all these faces. So what I'll do, I'll unhide it. There's a face missing because we saw it in the GIF. So let me just go through all of these and find that missing face. Might be the last, I don't know if it's the last one. There it is, it's the last one. So what I need to do, let me see if I can copy this, drag it up to the top. Oh, hold on. Let me see what I've done. It's the last folder. Yeah. There we go. That should be okay. So now what I can do now, unhide these. You'll get used to it. The more you do it, you get used to it. But you can make money with these. You can make greeting cards, invitations. So now let's go back. GIF. Look how smooth that is. And I can speed it up. Let me just put it to about 150. Let's go 125. And the animation works because obviously I followed the template. I had the head template. So that's why the head is moving like that. So consistently. So I can download this. And yeah, you can add it to an invitation. You can make video greeting cards for your Etsy. You can do so much with these. You can do it for your educational projects. So let me just change the face just to show you again. So what you'll do, so this basically, this face here, let me just label it face. This face here acts as the replace face. So I'm going to write this actually. Double click to replace face. Okay, make it easier. So you double click, opens up again. Let me just find see if I've got another face somewhere. Let me see. Don't know if I've got another face. But what I can do. Okay, I've got a dog. So what I'm gonna do? Actually, no, hold on. That was wrong. I'm supposed to open. Yeah, so you're supposed to open in place, not open. You say open in place. So what I'm gonna do? Look at this. So look, I've got a dog. Obviously, the dog's got a white background. So I click on magic wand. Click on the white area. So this needs to be rastered. Yes, in order to take away the background with any PNG image, it has to be rasterized. It can't be a smart object. So now delete. There's more white space. Delete. Click on the white space. Delete. Click on the white space. Delete. And now Control D to get rid of those lines. And what I'll actually know. What I'll do now. Let me use the brush. No, let me use the erase tool. No, I can just use the lasso tool to get rid of this body. Actually, get rid of the whole body. All right, get rid of the whole body. Delete. Control D. And now what I'm going to do, click on the move tool, hold on to shift and hold and click on this right square here and drag it out, drag it in. Obviously I'm just trying to make this the same, similar size as the face. Might not look perfect, but I'm just messing. I didn't have another head. So hide that face, original face, press file, press save smart object. So now if I go back to this, you see? So now click GIF. There you go. You can reuse this over and over again. That's the beauty of it. Yeah.